Let's go. You find the answer, tell me. Yeah, always try to limit, the ideas. This is the first idea, and that is the second idea. So your focus must be on these two. Is the second the same idea, in other words? Is it an example to prove it? Is there contrast comparison about difference? Is it cause and effect relation?
No. The answer in other words.
In other words, I don't think so.
What?
Because look, I said here, wolves can smell, but cannot yet see or hear. Look, domesticated dogs can see, hear, smell. Here he said cannot. So this is, we compare between two dogs and wolves and difference between them. So it is by contrast, right? So be careful about cannot, because it's one word. That's why. And then he's going to explain why this difference, this relative lack of sensory input may have this way. Let's try.
And the answer is D.
To make it letter D and D, it's correct. Remember thus cause and effect. Brilliant.
The answer should be B. No. A. A. A is the right answer.
So fittingly, I don't think so. Fitting, as you know, it means suitably, appropriately. But why you didn't check letter C? How? And what means moreover? It means I am going to add idea to the previous idea, and both of them prove an idea at the beginning. Do you imagine it? So here he was talking about how can we put non-recyclable items into recycling. Then he gives example, and then he adds another example. So moreover, no contrast. So on the contrary means nevertheless. Get it? But fittingly means appropriately. This is adverb. An adverb modifies a verb. But we are not talking to say that suitably non-recyclable products can damage. Because how can damage suitably? It does not make sense. Feel it? So that is the problem. So here letter C is correct. So we have claim, and the claim mean idea. And then we have evidence 1, and then moreover, and then evidence 2. So moreover between two evidence to prove a main claim. That's why. Let's jump. Come on.
The answer should be C. Is the right answer.
The letter C, I don't think so.
It's not D and not A, so it's B.
Let me help you. Rather means to show contrast or exception, but we don't have. So, as I told you, always check additionally. This is additional to the previous point, and both of them to prove this one. He fought injustice on both sides of Mexico. Here he gives you example. How did he fight? As a reporter for the Texas, she voiced support. And then she founded the league to advocate. So both of them, two evidence to the main idea. It's called addition. Imagine like we have 3 sentences. Feel it like that, 1, 2, and 3. Between 2 and 3 to prove this one. If it is, so it's an addition. But in conclusion, it does not make sense because it's not in conclusion to the preface or to the text. Imagine. And as you know,
Yes.
conclusion means like to summary, sums up or conclude the discussion. But this is not the conclusion of all of it. This is additional. She founded, founded like established league or association or organization. That's why. So let's try. But you did your best to delete some wrong answer. Perfect.
The answer should be, it is not D and not B. So it is A. The answer is A.
Did you find it?
Yes, the answer is A.
You found it A as sequence, but no, my friend.
It is not B and not D. So it's C.
So that is great improvement. You delete the contrast or exceptions. Now check A or C. If you found any evidence for sequence of action like first, second, third, later, or it's a nature of instructions that we don't have. And how about indeed? Indeed, just like in fact, you give me fact to prove it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now let's find the fact. What is the fact? He said installations resembled both. So we need an evidence. She said both of familiar. Look for the next. He said her installation was reminiscent of typical movie theater. So we prove the previous idea. As he mentioned here. Found it.
Yes.
So it is fact. Come on, you can answer until I send you the link. Second.